Hello and welcome to Question Time, where I answer one of your questions. What cuisine do I like to cook the most? You know, I think it's Gujarati food because I grew up eating Gujarati food, and honestly, I don't have to think very much. If I'm cooking Gujarati food, it's boom, 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 and I'm done. I know how to do it. I don't have to overthink it, and it's very, very easy for me to cook Gujarati food. Although when I'm making a meal, there's a lot of parts to it, like I have to make the roti and the rice and the curry or dal and the curry itself, and then sometimes I make another curry to go with it, and then there's papad or papri to go with it as well. So I make a full-on meal when I cook Gujarati food, but it is one of the things that I make quite a lot. Now, I do enjoy making Italian. Like for lunches and stuff, we don't eat Gujarati food. We have like any other type of cuisine: Chinese, Japanese, Italian, Greek, you name it, Vietnamese, Thai, everything. I cook everything. And the thing with cooking is, I think the first time you try a dish, it's hard. You have to look at the recipe, you have to watch the video, you have to kind of figure out how to make that dish because you don't know, you've never made it before. But once you've made it and you get the hang of it, it becomes easy. So that's one thing that I found is, like, if I'm trying a new dish, I actually have to make sure I have the time, because it takes me 3 or 4 times as long to make something that I've never tried before than if, you know, I want to whip up some Greek lamb burgers or some shawarma. I can do it like that because I've done it before and I know how to do it and I know what it involves. So there's a lot of planning involved in cooking different cuisines. So with Gujarati food, I don't have to think about it because I've done it growing up from a very young age. I've made a lot of Gujarati food, and that is my cuisine that I don't have to think about. So I like making that because it's so easy for me. Do you have a question related to cooking that you want me to answer? Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Until then, happy cooking!